Now, the list again of shelters in Broward County that are now open. County officials in Broward say more than a dozen shelters will open tomorrow, especially for those in low-lying areas and those mobile home park areas.
And here is the list. In Coconut Creek, Lions Creek Middle School and Monarch High School will both be open as shelters in Coral Springs. We're talking Coral Glades High, and in Davie, Fox Trail Elementary.
And in Pembroke Park here, Watkins Elementary and Pembroke Pines, it's Silver Trail Middle School and West Broward High School. And in Plantation Elementary is the shelter you need to head to.
Up in Pompano, there's Pompano Beach High School, and in Weston, it's Falcon Cove Middle School.
And in Fort Lauderdale, there's Rock Island Elementary and Atlantic Technical, which is also known as Arthur Ashe. And for Lauderdale Lakes is Park Lakes Elementary. And in Miramar, you want to get to New Renaissance Middle School or Everglades High School.
These shelters do know they will not provide personal items. We want to stress that, so please be sure to bring enough water, snacks, and any medications that you may need.